Have you ever wished for salon-quality waxing results without the hassle and expense of appointments? At-home waxing is not only cost-effective, but it also gives you complete control over your self-care routine. I remember my first at-home waxing session. It wasn't perfect, but once I learned the right techniques and invested in high-quality products, it became effortless. Today, I'll guide you through the ultimate essentials for achieving smooth, flawless skin from the comfort of your home. The right tools make all the difference. Here's what you need for a flawless Brazilian waxing experience. Premium wax selection. Hard wax is the gold standard for Brazilian waxing. It adheres to hair, not skin, minimizing irritation and discomfort. Professional-grade application tools, wooden spatulas for precise application, and a temperature-controlled wax warmer to maintain consistency. Pre-wax skin preparation, a gentle exfoliator, oil-free skin cleanser, and baby powder to remove excess moisture for better wax adherence. High-quality aftercare essentials, cooling aloe vera gel or a soothing post-wax serum to calm and nourish the skin. Mastering your technique is key to achieving professional results. Application method. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth and remove swiftly against the grain to minimize pain and maximize efficiency. Post-wax care. Immediately soothe the skin with a cooling gel. Avoid hot showers and wear breathable clothing to prevent irritation. Common mistakes to avoid. Never apply wax too thick. Always test the temperature on your wrist first and never wax the same area twice in one session to prevent irritation. Waxing should feel like an indulgent self-care ritual, not a task. Here's how to elevate your experience. Create a relaxing atmosphere. Soft lighting, calming music, and a clean, organized space set the tone for a stress-free waxing session. Luxury extras for comfort: pre-wax numbing cream, post-wax hydrating oils, and a magnifying mirror for precision help you achieve flawless results. Safety first. Always patch test new wax, keep wax at a safe temperature, and be extra cautious with sensitive areas. And that's your complete guide to at-home Brazilian waxing. With the right tools and techniques, you can achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own space. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more expert beauty and self-care tips. Drop a comment below with your biggest at-home waxing winner question. I'd love to hear from you. Stay confident, stay smooth, and I'll see you in the next video.